This is Bishop Dr. Truman Burst. Master Herbalist, coming to you from Good Shepherd Ministries.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Hi, this is Bishop Dr. Truman Burst returning your call.
Yes, hello, good night, how are you?
I am blessed. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. My husband gave me the number for me to give you a call. I don't know, I'm having some issues with my skin. I'm not sure if it's like allergy season. From time to time I do have issues with my skin. It's really itchy. I haven't slept like in 2 days. It's like hives, kind of like welts, slightly red, and it just like has me like really miserable.
I understand. So what is your email address? I will send you a link to a paper that I wrote regarding skin disorders and various, it will have links to the products so that when you're reading the report and if you see a product you say, well, what's that? You know, you can click on it and it will take you over to the website that sells it. And that website is a not-for-profit, and I am a not-for-profit minister that help people at no charge, and that's what I do. I'm a graduate ethnobotanist, phytotherapist, master herbalist, chartered herbalist, master herbologist. I'm also an ordained minister and a certified bishop, and what I do is I help people. So I'm going to send you that report, but I would need your email, please.
I'm in the process of setting up a new email. I'm going to get my son's email right now.
Okay, why don't I give you my email, then when you get your email,
Okay.
or if you are on your computer, I will just take you over to there right now, and you can take a look at that report. Are you near your computer?
I'm near my computer. Okay. What's the email address?
My email address is Truman, Truman,
Truman
at health, Health, then the last word,
Health.
yeah, the word health. Then the last word is herbs, Herbs.
Okay.
So it's Truman at healthherbs.com.
Truman at healthherbs.com.
Right. Okay. And now I'm going up to.
Another question I have for you.
Sure.
I'm having a lot of health issues. I went to a doctor a couple of months ago, and she told me like something like seemed to be wrong with my liver. She told me the normal function is like 42, and she said mine was like 2,000 and change, which was really alarming.
Yes.
I'm no longer seeing that doctor, but I just recently switched doctors, and this doctor told me it's like 700, which is still pretty high.
That's right.
Like really concerned. So
Yes. Okay. So that's why we're having the skin problems.
I don't know if it's linked. I don't.
Yeah, but I'm saying that is the reason why, because the liver is trying to detox, and the kidneys are trying to detox, and they're both not working very well for some reason. That reason could be pesticides, could be could be diet. So we're going to take a look at a few things here, and we're going to show you how to renew your liver and get a new liver, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'm up here on the website, and is it okay? I haven't said your name, and nobody knows your name, your telephone number. Is it all right if I share this information, if I make a video of it and share it with other people so they can know what to do for this kind of a problem? So I don't have to do it over and over and over and over again with the same thing?
Help someone. Yeah.
Yes. So I'm not going to say your name, but I will make a video of this, and then you will be able to also see this video when I publish it up on YouTube and on podcast, so that.
The one thing I have to say, I've always had like issues with my skin from since I was, a very small child. I grew up in Trinidad, and it doesn't come around like very often, but the last couple of years, like this.
Yes.
And right now it's like really bad. My skin is like on fire right now.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to make some changes in that. So we're going up on a website. We are going up to herbalhealthreview.com. herbalhealthreview.com. Okay?
Okay, 1 second. Bear with me, please. 1 second, please.
Sure, no problem. Take your time.
Yeah, at healthherbs.com. Oh my gosh, that's everything. Truman. Oh my. Okay, I'm at the website. Where exactly do I go?
Okay, now that you're at herbalhealthreview.com and you're looking at a teapot pouring a cup of tea, right?
No, I'm not saying that.
Okay, herbalhealthreview.com. Herbal,
I didn't put in review.
yeah, herbal, Herbal, then the word health, Health, then the last word review, REVIEW.com.
Let me grab my pen. I didn't.
Okay, so we're going to herb. Okay.
I just had one. Oh, come on. I have them on hold. Where? Okay, I'm so sorry.
It's all right.
Okay, just let me get that again. Let me make sure I have the right thing.
Okay. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Herbal, Herbal, then the word health, Healt,
Oh my gosh, wait 1 second. My pen is stolen. Okay, Herbal.
Herb,
R-B-A-L.
and then the word health, Health, then the last word review, REVIEW.com, herbalhealthreview.com.
B-I-E-W?
Yeah, herbalhealthreview.com.
All right. Okay, yeah, I see the kettle pouring the tea, okay.
Yay, we're there. Okay, now where it says common conditions, click on that.
Okay, alright, I clicked on it.
Okay, go all the way near the bottom in that list to S for skin disorders. You see healthy hair and skin.
Okay, I see skin.
Okay, click on that, and then it should then say healthy teeth, hair, and skin.
Okay, healthy teeth, hair, and skin, yeah.
Okay, you got that. Okay, it gives you all kinds of different things. There's some antiseptic soaps and so forth, and an anti-itch jewelweed soap, which is good against poison ivy, poison oak, and it's got a eucalyptus mint soap. So some different soaps there. Here's a lotion, an MSM EU salve, which is great for lubricating and helping skin health. So those are things we can do externally, and it even talks about the teeth. A So Fresh flossing toothbrush, which is a very incredible toothbrush that flosses your teeth as you brush them, which is cool. Below that is an oral care refresh brush and rinse, so you could throw away your toothpaste because this is better than toothpaste and will harden your teeth, get rid of sensitive. If you had sensitive teeth, it'll get rid of that problem. Hardens the gums, hardens the enamel, remineralizes the teeth. So it's an incredible herbal liquid that makes your mouth taste absolutely wonderful, and your gums are stronger, and your teeth are stronger, and you have less possibility of having a cavity. So, and so just that alone is a wonderful product. Those two things, but we're going down the line here. So it's talking about and then it gets into something called Intramax. You see that? Below that it says Intramax. All-in-one liquid nutritional supplement. Do you see that one? It's below the Oral Care Refresh Concentrate.
Okay, yes, I see it.
See, Intramax. So now you know that Intramax is a doctor's only, the world's greatest all-natural organic liquid vitamin. So that would really boost up your immune system and help you and help a skin disorder, because we're talking about a skin disorder. So that's the best multiple vitamin that you could take. Jojoba oil is, if it's in your hair and on your head and so forth, well, that's one of the most wonderful lubricants and hair follicle cleansers is jojoba oil and stinging nettle. These are all things that are used. Saw palmetto, stinging nettle, those are two things that will help a man keep his hair if he's losing his hair, and a woman as well, because it blocks the hormones that kill hair follicles. So
what is that, the jojoba oil?
The jojoba oil, stinging nettle, and saw palmetto. But it's the stinging nettle and saw palmetto that block the hormones.
Stinging nettle, okay.
Yeah, stinging nettle and the saw palmetto. They help to, with especially male pattern baldness and so forth, because it blocks the excess DHT, which is the male hormone production that kills the hair follicles. And so those are things to know about that. Then there's burdock root. That would be one that would be specifically good for the skin disorders, because it really cleans up the bloodstream, and helps the liver. So that's a good one to know about, burdock root. kombucha mushroom.
I think we may have some of that here, but let me write it down anyway. Can you spell it for me? Make sure I get the correct spelling. Burdock.
Burdock, it's listed there in the list under saw palmetto. Do you see it? Underneath saw, it goes jojoba oil, stinging nettle, saw palmetto, then it says burdock root.
Oh, okay, right.
So you got it, and if you clicked on it, it would take you over to where you could buy it in various sizes. But we're going to get you through this, and so that you. So then there's kombucha mushroom. That also helps to stimulate.
Things I want to talk to you about, and I want to place an order, but I really need to talk to you first.
Sure.
Some of these things are unusual, and I don't exactly know what to order. So
Okay.
okay.
All right. I'm doing a radio broadcast right now, but I'm going to take a break from it and help you. Just letting you know, I got the camera rolling. So I'm gonna edit out your name and so forth, so that nobody will know who I'm talking to. They're just gonna know what we're saying. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right. Go ahead. What's up?
Okay, one of them is there is a person who has kidney stones.
Yes.
I know that for kidney stones, magnesium is significant.
Yes.
But should there be anything else that they do to do this? It's a young man. He's only 18.
Yes.
And he had a severe bout of it at the University of Arizona.
Yes.
And so at this point, I told him to take 500 to 1,000 milligrams of magnesium a day. But I didn't know if he should be doing more than that. What I read and what I went into, it really pushed for magnesium, and that was the milligram level that they said to take.
Yes. Magnesium. We need to make sure he's getting plenty of calcium, magnesium, and of course the one we're using and talking about is it's called Nice Bones. And I take 3 of those Nice Bone, and let's see what it says here, NICE, Nice Bones, and it's got 3 of them supply 1,000 vitamin D, 1,200 calcium carbonate citrate aspartate, and 600 magnesium oxide citrate aspartate, and that is the that is a good general dosage. And of course, it is due to the fact that these are all multiply chelated, they're going to be absorbed much better. So yes, that is important. But the key thing here with the kidney bladder is I did some research on that, and then it is published on the internet. Are you near your computer?
I'm not, because my husband's on it.
He's on it. Well, okay, all right, because on the website herbalhealthreview.com, when he's not on it, go to that website, herbalhealthreview.com, and click on Common Conditions, and then click on Kidneys, kidney bladder.
Review, herbalhealthreview.com.
That's right. And then when you get there, it's going to describe, kidneys and kidney problems, including polycystic kidney disease and kidney stones and so forth. And so, but it's going to talk about the calcium and magnesium is one of the first things that's mentioned there. Then amino acids are important. Then enzymes.
You mean like amino acids, like the total picture of amino acids?
Yeah, like a multiple.
Certain amino acids.
Like boosting up their amino acids, maybe taking a multiple amino acid tablet, and so with the calcium and magnesium, then taking a multiple amino acid formula and taking a really good enzyme formula. And potassium, and then the super green foods, because you can get it now as a powder or as a liquid, and then having a really good multiple vitamin liquid like the Intramax that's got over 415 essential.
Oh, that's a good. I brought that in.
Right, it's excellent.
In fact, I'm going to order that.
Excellent. So yes. So
That's a good product.
Absolutely. So that's where you're going to get some help with the kidneys. Then, then there are things like making sure that you're making sure your iron levels are where they should be, and maybe taking the anemia relief, which can help the kidneys excrete waste. And then there's pomegranate. Concentrate, which has antibiotic properties, and it helps to acidify the urine. And then celery works as a diuretic to decrease the uric acid, and parsley works as a diuretic to decrease uric acid, and even the herb hydrangea cleanses the urinary tract, and uva ursi, which has germicidal properties in the urinary tract. So that, and then if to prepare to remove these kidney stones, he has kidney stones, is that right?
He's got them.
Right. So then
He actually did have to. One came. He had a kidney stone bout, and it did go through. It passed through. How many he has, I don't know.
Right. So that's why we would make sure that he's getting marshmallow root tea. And you take and boil 1 quart of water on the stove, pull it off the burner, and put a tablespoon of marshmallow root powder in there, stir it up a little bit, put the lid on it, let it cool down, and drink 1 quart of marshmallow root tea daily throughout the day, being done early in the evening. We don't want to be influencing the kidneys and so that you're having to run to the bathroom all night. So we're going to stop taking this marshmallow root tea about 2 or 3 hours before bed, and it gives the instructions there on that website under kidney bladder. It also talks.
Is marshmallow root also the same one that when you take that, it helps the lining of all your organs?
Yes, it's a very.
It kind of causes a film on them or something.
Exactly. Exactly. It's very nourishing to the entire body, but especially the urinary tract, and it coats the stones so they will pass without pain or bleeding. So that's what it does. You're absolutely.
So they'll pass without pain or bleeding.
Exactly. So that's the trick, is the marshmallow root. Because you're right, it coats everything with all this nutrition. So highly nutritive. People that are on wearing a diaper, they don't need diapers after about 3 days of drinking 1 quart of marshmallow root daily. People that are on a dialysis machine, some of them come off of the dialysis machine.
Okay.
So now, now 30 drops of kava tincture. That herb is a calcium channel blocker, which alleviates the spasms related to kidney stones while relaxing the urethra. And the recommended dose is about a 120 milligram tablet once daily, or 30 drops of kava kava. So that's good. That's what that does. Now there is a formulation called Stones Clear listed there in the report, and all I do is click on Stones Clear, and it takes me over to a website where I could buy it, you know, if I wanted it, and it gives me the formulation. That's the BetterHealthHerbs.com website, and so when I'm over there, I'm looking at what Stones Clear has in it. And what it has in it is, there's that hydrangea root, there's gravel root, here's some marshmallow root in the Stones Clear, goldenrod for the kidneys, and then it has the structured water. And if you wanted it, and it has 20% alcohol in it, which is not bad. I mean, that's not bad for you, even if you've got a kidney or a liver problem. That's very small amount, because we're talking about taking maybe 30 drops of this 3 times a day. So in that kind of a dosage, that's alcohol's not going to hurt anything. All it's going to do is help deliver the herbs into, especially if you're taking this and holding it under the tongue, then it's going to go directly into the bloodstream, and you're going to get 200% more absorbency by putting it under the tongue and holding it there for 30 seconds to a minute than you would. You're going to get 200 times more of the benefit from it than you would if you took a tablet or a capsule or and about.
And what did you say that was?
And that's the Stones Clear formula number 1399. So that's a Stones Clear formula, and that's listed there in that report. And there's some other things. You can also take 30 drops of Schizandra berry 3 times a day. It strengthens the digestive organs and the immune system, and it protects against free radical damage and viral and bacterial infections. That's Schizandra berry. Then there's
This is Bishop Dr. Truman Burst. Master Herbalist, coming to you from Good Shepherd Ministries.